In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Wix Groups. To get started, return to your main Wix dashboard. This is where you can access the main tools and settings for your site. On the left side of the screen, look for the vertical navigation menu and scroll down until you find the Groups option. Click on Groups to open the Group Management area. Once you are there, you will see the option to create a new group. Click the blue Create Group button to begin. This will open the setup screen where you can add the main details for your group. Now enter a name for your group. Choose a name that clearly tells members what the group is about, since this will help people understand its purpose right away. After that, choose the privacy level that fits your needs. Wix gives you 3 options here: public, private, and secret. A public group is visible to everyone, which is useful if you want to build an open community. A private group gives you more control over who can join and interact. A secret group is more restricted and is best when you only want invited members to find and access it. Next, you can add an icon image and a description for the group. The icon helps give the group a visual identity, while the description gives visitors a quick explanation of what they can expect inside. Keep the description simple and clear so members immediately understand the focus of the group. When those details are ready, click Create Group again to save the new group profile. At this point, your group will be created and available for further setup. After the group has been created, you can begin customizing how it looks and works. Inside the front-end Group Page Inspector Settings panel, you can adjust the layout design to better match the style of your site. You can also edit button text so the actions shown to members are clear and consistent with your brand. In the same area, review the user post permissions. This controls how members interact inside the group, including what they are allowed to post or share. Taking a moment to set these permissions carefully can help keep the group organized and aligned with the type of community you want to build. Once those settings are in place, your Wix group is ready to use. That covers everything you need to know.